Looking to add a cozy, festive touch to your porch or patio this fall without spending too much? I've got 10 clever Dollar Tree DIYs that'll transform your outdoor space in no time. Affordable, easy, and oh so cute. Trust me, these ideas will make your neighbors do a double take, and they won't believe you spent so little. Imagine that sweet little corner of your porch, all decked out in autumn glory, without breaking the bank. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Welcome to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, where I share simple, fun, and budget-friendly ideas to make your garden and home feel even more special. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or create that warm, inviting vibe, you're in the right place. Now, grab your favorite cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into these Dollar Tree DIYs that'll make your outdoor space feel like fall perfection. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly DIYs each week. Now, let's get started, my friend. DIY 1. Fall wreath. Let's start with a classic, a fall wreath. You know, a lovely wreath on your front door really sets the tone for the season. And guess what? You can make this one yourself, and it's so easy, it'll have your neighbors stopping by to ask where you got it. Here's how we do it. Grab a wire wreath frame from Dollar Tree and some of those gorgeous faux autumn leaves. They got such vibrant colors, don't they? Start by hot gluing the leaves in layers, working your way around the frame. The trick is to overlap them just a little to give it that full, lush look. I always think it looks best when it's a mix of colors, reds, yellows, oranges, the full fall palette. Now for that extra special touch, add a few pine cones here and there. They really bring that autumn feel to life. And don't forget the finishing touch, a burlap ribbon tied in a nice bow at the top. It's simple, rustic, and perfect for fall. You'll have a beautiful wreath for your door that's so simple to make. It'll make your neighbors stop and admire it. And believe me, my friend, you'll love how welcoming it feels every time you come home. Now, while that wreath is drying, let's move on to the next fun project. All right. Let's jump right in with our first DIY. And remember, these are all quick and easy to put together, perfect for the weekend. DIY 2, pumpkin planter. Next up, we've got a super fun and festive DIY, a pumpkin planter. This one's perfect for adding a little garden magic to your porch, and I promise you, it's going to make your space look so charming. Start with a foam pumpkin from Dollar Tree. Yes, they have some really cute ones. Now, carefully hollow it out with a knife, making sure to leave a sturdy base to support the plant. Once it's hollowed out, grab a small pot and place it inside the pumpkin. You want it to fit snugly, but not too tight, just enough so it sits nicely. Now for the fun part. Fill your pot with beautiful fall flowers or mums. Mums are such a fall staple, and they come in such rich, warm colors. Reds, yellows, and oranges, just like the season itself. Place the pot inside your pumpkin, and voila! You've got yourself a charming little pumpkin planter. This is a perfect project for the grandkids, too. They'll have a blast helping you hollow out the pumpkin and picking out the flowers. And when you place it on your porch, it'll instantly give your home that cozy harvest vibe. What a sweet way to mix gardening with fall decor. DIY 3. Lantern centerpiece. Now, let's create a cozy fall centerpiece with a lantern. Lanterns just have that magical, inviting glow, don't they? And they're so easy to decorate. You'll love how it lights up your space on those crisp fall evenings. Here's how we do it. Start with a lantern. Dollar Tree has some great ones that are perfect for this project. Open it up and fill the bottom with faux autumn leaves. You can layer them in a way that feels full and vibrant. Next, add a few small pumpkins, maybe some mini ones or gourd for a nice touch of texture. The colors of the pumpkins will really pop against the leaves. Now, for the magic touch, place a battery-operated candle inside the lantern. The warm flicker of the candle paired with the fall colors will create such a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. It's like having your own little slice of autumn right on your table or porch. This lantern gives off a soft, inviting glow, perfect for those chilly fall evenings when you just want to sit back and enjoy the season. It's an easy DIY, but it adds such a warm charm to your home. You'll find yourself enjoying the glow of it every night. DIY 4. Leaf garland. Next up, we're making a beautiful leaf garland that's perfect for hanging across your porch railings. It's an easy project, but will give your outdoor space such a festive, fall vibe, ideal for those cozy fall evenings with the family. Start with a simple string of twine. Dollar Tree has great options, and you can cut it to whatever length you need. Now, grab your faux leaves and begin gluing them along the twine, spacing them out to your liking. You can layer the leaves or arrange them in a nice, natural pattern, like they've just fallen off the trees. Once it's all glued together, hang the garland across your porch railings, over the entryway, or even around a window. It'll instantly add a touch of autumn charm. And here's a fun little tip. If you want to make it even more magical, add a string of fairy lights to the garland. The twinkling lights will give your porch an extra warm glow when evening falls, and it'll feel like you're living in your very own fall wonderland. This garland is such a simple way to create a festive atmosphere and make your space feel more inviting. It's a wonderful way to add a little sparkle to your outdoor space while embracing the fall spirit. Now that your garland is twinkling away, let's move on to the next project. DIY 5. Fall doormat. Now, let's add a personalized touch to your front porch with a beautiful fall-themed doormat. This is such a fun and simple project that not only brightens up your entryway, but also shows off your creativity. Start with a plain cord doormat. Dollar Tree has a great selection of these, and they're perfect for painting. You'll also need some fall-themed stencils, maybe a pumpkin, a leaf, or even a cute welcome message. Place your stencil on the mat and use outdoor paint to fill in the design. You can go for warm fall colors like orange, yellow, and brown for that classic autumn look. Take your time and feel free to mix and match designs. Maybe add a little border of leaves or a pumpkin patch along the bottom. It's all about making it your own. Once it's dry, you'll have a lovely fall doormat that not only looks great, but also makes your porch feel even more inviting. Every time someone visits, they'll be greeted by a little touch of fall magic, and you can proudly say, "I made that." It's an easy and affordable way to show off your creativity and give your entryway a seasonal refresh. DIY 6. Mason jar candle holders. Now, let's create some cozy little candle holders using mason jars. These are perfect for adding that warm, welcoming glow to your porch, especially as the evenings get cooler. Start by filling your mason jars with faux autumn leaves or small gourds. You can arrange them inside the jar so they look full and colorful, just like the fall season. The leaves will add texture, and the little gourds will give it a rustic, harvest feel. You can even mix in a little bit of raffia or burlap for an added rustic touch. Once you've filled the jars, place a tea light candle inside. The soft flicker of the candle, surrounded by the leaves and gourds, will cast a warm, inviting glow. Place a few of these along your porch steps or on a table to create a charming fall scene. These little mason jar candle holders are simple to make, but they really help set the mood for cozy evenings outside. Whether you're enjoying a warm cup of cider or just relaxing on your porch, these candles will add that perfect touch of fall magic. Now that your mason jars are glowing beautifully, let's move on to another fun and festive DIY. DIY 7. Thanksgiving sign. Next up, we're going to make a lovely Thanksgiving sign. It's a simple way to bring some heartwarming charm to your porch or home, and it sets the perfect tone for the fall season. Start with some wooden planks or a pre-made sign from Dollar Tree. You can even repurpose an old sign you already have. It's a great way to upcycle. Once you got your base, use some rustic paint to write a fall phrase. Give thanks is a classic, but you could also go with something like harvest blessings or grateful and blessed. It's all about creating that cozy, thankful feeling. For the lettering, try a simple yet elegant rustic style. Nothing too fancy, just enough to give it that homemade, warm vibe. If you don't feel comfortable freehanding it, don't worry. You can use stencils or even print out the letters and trace them onto the sign. Once it's all painted and dry, hang your sign on the door, a wall, or even next to your favorite fall decorations. A simple sign can really set the tone for the entire season. It's such a quick and heartfelt way to show gratitude and it'll make your space feel even more welcoming as we head into Thanksgiving. DIY 8. Acorn garland. Next, let's add a little subtle charm to your porch with a sweet acorn garland. This one is so easy to make. It's the perfect little touch to enhance your outdoor space with a bit of fall magic. Start by grabbing some mini faux acorns. Dollar Tree has some great little acorns that are perfect for this project. Take a string of twine. Again, Dollar Tree has the perfect twine for this, and glue the acorns onto the twine, spacing them out just a bit. You can make it as long or short as you like, depending on where you want to hang it. Once it's all glued and dry, hang the garland along your porch railing or even across a window. When the sunlight hits those little acorns, it gives off a lovely, natural fall look that will make your porch feel extra cozy. This acorn garland is a sweet, subtle way to add fall charm to your patio, and it's so easy to make. The best part? It looks beautiful in the sunlight, creating that warm, golden autumn glow you'll love. Autumn leaf basket. Now, let's put together a lovely autumn leaf basket. This is one of those simple yet stunning projects that brings nature's beauty right to your home, minus the mess. Start with a small wicker basket. Dollar Tree has these beautiful little baskets that are perfect for this DIY. Next, fill the basket with faux autumn leaves. You can use a mix of red, orange, and yellow leaves to really capture the essence of fall. Add some small pumpkins and acorns for that classic autumn touch. The pumpkins give it that harvest feel, and the acorns add texture and charm. You can even throw in a little raffia or burlap for an extra rustic look. Just a few twirls will do. Once your basket is filled, place it on your porch, a side table, or near your front door to greet guests. It's the perfect way to bring a bit of the outdoors inside, and it adds so much warmth and coziness to your space. This rustic autumn leaf basket is such a lovely way to bring nature's beauty to your space without all the mess. Plus, it's easy to put together, and I'm sure you'll love how it looks in your home. Now that your basket is adding a cozy touch to your home, let's move on to the next fun DIY. DIY 10. Fall table centerpiece. Last but certainly not least, let's make a gorgeous fall table centerpiece. This one is perfect for creating a cozy spot to gather with family and friends on those beautiful autumn days. Start with a wooden tray. You can find these at Dollar Tree or any local store, and they're the perfect base for this centerpiece. Once you've got your tray, start filling it with a mix of fall items. Begin with mini pumpkins for that classic harvest feel. Add a few faux autumn leaves to bring in those vibrant fall colors, reds, oranges, and yellows. Then, place a candle in the center for a soft, warm glow. The key to this centerpiece is layering the items so they're all nestled together, creating a full, inviting look. The candle will give off a cozy light that makes your outdoor table feel like the perfect fall gathering spot. A simple centerpiece like this can instantly transform your outdoor table into a cozy fall haven. Whether you're enjoying a meal or sipping a warm drink with loved ones, this little arrangement will make everything feel even more special. There you go, $10 Tree DIYs that are perfect for fall and Thanksgiving. From wreaths to pumpkins, there's something here for every porch and patio. Whether you're looking to add a cozy glow with lanterns or a personal touch with a painted doormat, these projects will help you embrace the beauty of autumn in your outdoor space. And the best part? They're all budget-friendly and super easy to create. I hope you enjoyed these ideas. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fall DIY in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're going to try first. See you next time for more easy, affordable projects. Until then, happy crafting and have a wonderful fall.